you are.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yushika, but all my internet friends call me Yunique. And today we're going to do a different type of unboxing. I'm going to do a vlog style unboxing. So I'm going to start by showing you the bag that I'm going to get, and then we're going to also take her out, dress her up, and then we're going to go on some outings today. So you enjoy this type of vlog. And as always, if you're catching a vibe over here and I'm passing the vibe check, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the community that I'm trying to build, and I appreciate all of your support. So let's get right into it. All right, this bag is a bag that I have been wanting for a while. It came out several years ago and I missed the original drop to it. But I was able to find several ones on resale sites, and actually I also saw a listing on the Coach website where they have the reloved or reimagined bags. So they had one that had all these extra charms on it, and it was going for like $500, and I was like, I don't think the charms are worth $500. It came with several different charms attached to it, as well as an additional strap. And then they had the original one that was reloved for $225, and I was like, yeah, that's still a little bit higher than I would want to pay for this bag since it's been several years old. So I was able to find it on eBay, and after reading lots of reviews, I decided to buy it from a seller on eBay, and I got it for a really good deal. So let's open it and get a first look at it. So okay. So it's wrapped up really nicely. So that's a good sign. Okay, so this is the bag I got, the quilted heart bag in the color Ivory. So this is the color Ivory. So let me get this stuff out of the way. It looks really nice so far. So far I'm happy, because you know it's always a scary thing when you're buying from resellers, because you don't know if you're going to get something authentic. You don't know if it's going to be as described or the picture is authentic to the item that you're actually going to be receiving. So far I'm happy with this. And I was so upset because I had saw that a lot of people have been finding this bag at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross and things, and I was not able to be that lucky to find it at one of those sites, at one of those stores. The strap feels a little bit thin. I don't know about that, but maybe I'm just overthinking things. Let me get it, unwrap the rest of the way. Let's get the rest of it, and then we'll give it a once over, because I gotta get going. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna be going today, and I'm taking you all along with me, and I hope you enjoy it, especially if it's not an activity that you've ever done before. I hope that you actually enjoy it. Okay, it is really pretty in person. Yes, so I'm excited so far. I'm really happy. I was really scared that this bag was not going to be what I thought it was going to be, because yeah, I just was really scared buying it from a reseller. But let's take a look on the inside, make sure everything is legit in the inside. So it's stuffed. And this is, oh, look at this. How cute is this? I'm going to keep this. They have it cut in a little heart, so I am going to keep it. It does have the dust bag, so I'm thinking it's authentic. And they were just reselling it. I'm definitely going to keep these, you all. These are so cute. It's the simplest things that just put a smile on my face. I don't know if you all are like that, but simple things make me happy. Just the simple things sometimes. That's all it takes. Okay, here's the Coach care card. And I'm trying to see if it's one of those security tags in here, because while I'm out, don't want to have to worry about setting off the alarm. So I'm hoping there isn't anything in there. So this is how the inside looks. And it comes with the pockets. And it has the Coach Creed right here. So it looks authentic. This is what the tag looks like. So I'm going to compare this tag to another one of my tags, because I really would like to make sure that this is authentic, but it looks like it. There's Coach right here. It has Coach listed right there. And right there. Yes, it has Coach listed right there. So I believe it is authentic. I hate when I can't buy items directly from Coach. Oh, and it has Coach printed right there. So I'm thinking this is authentic. So I think this is a good purchase. Like I said, it came with all of the things you would expect a new Coach bag to come with. So overall, I'm happy. So I'm going to get her filled up and see how much I can place in her. And then I'm going to come back, show you all my outfit. And then we're going to go on an outing together. So let's go. And this Coach cape that I purchased. And it was on sale when I brought it, and then it went on a deeper discount that I happened to miss, because I would have did a price adjustment, but I think it had went down to like $72. I paid like $90 for it, so I really hate that I missed getting a price adjustment on it. But yeah, I think this is really nice. So this is the look. Now I was gonna do a sort of monochrome look. I was gonna do a sort of monochrome look. However, when I put on my brown, because I didn't have any like tan or cream color leggings or pants, so when I put on some brown ones, I just didn't like how the contrast was, so I decided to go with jeans. So this is the look for our outing today. And I'm going to insert some pictures. I think I'm going to put some nice little shades on as well. So let's get out of here, because I wanted to already be at the event. So let's get out of here. I'm a lover of all things beautiful, especially flowers and art. I'm a creative at heart, so this event was very special to me. I'm going to take you all today to the St. Louis Art Museum to witness art in bloom. I hope you enjoy. so stunningly beautiful to me. I love the vibrant colors of all of the blooms. I love the different heights of the flowers and how they arranged everything. Enjoyed today's video. We unboxed my new Coach handbag, and then we took her out into the wild and experienced a beautiful scene at the St. Louis Art Museum for Arts in Bloom. So if you enjoyed the video and caught a vibe, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the community that I'm building. And until next time, I'm wishing all of you peace, love, and blessings in your life. And always remember to stay uniquely you. Bye, y'all.
Unique, I'm one of one. I'm number one.